G'day guys, Mark the Bearded Tech Skier, coming to you from Integrate 2025, and I'm standing on the Sennheiser stand with Noel Denchfield, Technical Applications Engineer, Sennheiser Business Communications.
By Jove, I think he has it.
It's taken me 3 years to get that right, but I got
It's taken you so long, unbelievable. But never mind, we got there, right?
We did get there right, mate. So you're going to give us a bit of a walk around of what's happening at Sennheiser. We're standing right here at the Huddle space, you call it?
Yeah, it's just a little mock-up Huddle space that we've done. For this one, it's more about how we play with other players, because that's been a bit of a mantra for us for a little while now, right? We try and explain what we do with others, but picture tells 1,000 words.
You need to show it. Yeah.
I like to nerd out a little bit. I like to bolt some stuff together, right?
So
this
I
is
did
what
see that yesterday.
that was a curly day yesterday, literally. So anyway, but you get them, right?
100%.
So what we try to show here is we've got a typical MTR, which everybody knows, right? But we don't have an MTR. So we've got one of our partners here, which is Max Hub.
Yes.
Yeah, so we've just got their brain and their touch panel running. And we've got our bar running off of this guy here as well.
Gotcha.
Okay?
Standard
stuff.
Setup.
Right? We thought we'd push the boundary a little bit because I don't know if you can remember a while back we said about we could put external cameras into our bar.
Yeah.
Right. So this year we
thought... Now you need to put your money where your mouth is.
I know this. Touch wood. Fingers crossed. All right. So working with our other partner, Lumens, we can really start pushing the boundaries a little bit, right?
Okay,
so we use their Cam Connect module here,
where
we can take in their camera or multiples of.
Multiple cameras.
Multiples of.
Roger.
Right? Just all sit on the network.
It's all sitting on the network. You've got a switch in behind here. And
we output this USB-C out of here.
Yeah.
We pick it up on the USB-A on the bar.
Directly into that. Right.
So if I go into something like, I don't know, if we just let's just do a meet now. There we go, just give it a minute just to do its thing. So if we do our meet now, you'll see I get the extra little arrow here. We're obviously on the bar here at the moment.
Bar down here,
If I just change this now, I can now pick up my camera.
So now you're picking up this camera up here?
Yeah, that camera up there. And I can switch between those quite happily, right? So what I can do now, if I really want to get tricky, I've got my ceiling mic up there. Which I can take my Dante, I can take my Dante feed directly into the bar, which I've done. But because it's on the network, I can now get the coordinates off of that, and I can feed them into this.
The Cam Connect Pro. Gotcha.
So now I can set up recall zones off of those, or multiple cameras, all feeding through the bar via the USB-A as an external camera. How cool is that?
Very, very cool.
All the mute syncs are back and forth. If I just go back in here again, something simple. Can't get my touch panel working. There you go. All my mute syncs carry across as normal. I get all my visual indicators, right? So if I hit my mute on here, you can see up here I've turned red, all that kind of stuff. So I get all those visual indicators. But the idea with this room is just kind of go, well, what's possible? We've talked about it. Let's show it.
Yeah, and not to mention that you're actually doing all this from gear that's in behind the display. I mean, you've brought it out, but it's on a slide-out tray. You plan that, you put it in behind, and like, there's no rack here. You've got a network on a rack, but that's it. That's
behind here, there's a network switch. All right, that's basically it. So we've got our lightware unit in here, which we can bring in for our screen sharing through into the Max Hub. That also gives me up on the USB, gives me all my power, all my network into my laptop as well.
Very nice.
Basically all off one USB-C cable if I want it.
Nice.
Right? It's a simple setup. But because by adding these bits together with the potential this has, I mean, I can feed multiple mics, multiple cameras into this, and I can spit it all out into a soundbar. A soundbar.
Yeah, that is super cool, isn't it?
It's cool.
Right? Awesome. Denchy, what else you got for us?
Let's move on. We'll take a walk.
Cool.